Hey guys, it's October 6th, 2021. We are looking at Pltr, which is a stock I played. I'm going to show you what plays I made. I did gain money, so how I made my great gains, and I did lose on some plays. I'll show you that as well. But just a quick look at what we're looking at here. This is a 5-minute candlestick, 6-day chart period. And if you paid attention to our historical trends, you would have foreseen that this was going to break up. Even though this broke up after market yesterday, today it fell all the way down and stayed below VWAP the whole entire time. Those who don't know, the news that came out on this is that Palantir signed a contract with the U.S. Army, actually, of all entities, which a lot of people feel confident in, to where sales are going to come in, money is going to be made. So it was a lot of good news, but this thing did the exact opposite. But I just want to show something real quick. I don't know why these long wicks are here or what this means, but yeah, like I was saying, a lot of people was optimistic and happy about the news, but this stock surely did disappoint. Let's just go in and look at the 1-day charts. So usually, if you guys follow me, you know how I like to do it. I set my bid just above the pre-market candlestick, so I placed it at 25.13. But as you can see, it did not go above that, so I didn't have a position filled there. But I did do the other strategy I tried to tell you guys, which is the bounce off the VWAP. So after it fell down and didn't even go above this pre-market candlestick, that was a big indication to me that this stock was going to be weak. So I did the bounce off the VWAP that I mentioned almost every other video. So I bought here and I sold down here. Gave me another opportunity. I bought in this. Let me change the tool so you can get a better seeing. So I bought here. Come on. Um, and I sold down. Oh, sorry guys, bear with me. I bought here. Yeah. Okay, and then I pre-bought here. I know this looks a little weird, but and I sold here. So these are two plays that I made that allowed me to get most of my gains in for the day. The next play I did change this to my trend line. I saw there was a trend forming here to where I could buy low and sell high, and I noticed it at the second candle, 1, 2, 3, right here at 11:45. I bought down here and I sold at this candle at 23.19. I was golden hands, as they say. Is it golden hands? Something hands. Um, I saw there was another opportunity. I missed this opportunity to play in the range. If you guys were playing, you probably noticed this opportunity here. It had a nice little range here. You could have maybe bought low at 105 and sold somewhere up here at 23.56, and then the rest of the day kind of did its own thing. But those were the opportunities to make money. I thought this was a beautiful stock. I liked it a lot, and gave a lot of opportunities. I want to look at one more stock before we go, which is Voyager, VYGR, and I'm not too sure what the news was on this. We'll take a look right now what the news said. Voyager, what was going on with this? Moving, midday, stocks moving, licensing deal. Okay, so they signed a licensing deal with Vygr, which caused this to happen pre-market, and then come towards the bell. Let's see what transpired. Ooh, this is a roller coaster of love. Man, this is a up and down day for. Hopefully, you guys bought at the bottom, sold at the tops. These are real swings. Trying to see if I can see any ranges forming or any trend lines. The only trend line that comes to mind off the bat would be right here. This trend started around 11:30, and if you had created this cone, you could have predicted that this downward trend would have broke, and either sideways consolidation or upward trend would have happened, and we did get a sideways consolidation, which gives an opportunity to make money by buying low, selling high, and then from there it broke this resistance, kind of did its own thing, and then got above VWAP. I'm pretty sure a lot of people bought in around this 2 o'clock mark. hoping that it'll keep going higher, but just to, man, this is a big candlestick that came down here. Yeah, and it played between the VWAP, the duration of the closing of the day. So I'm not too sure how you guys would have played this. I did not, but the news was good. They came out on it. It didn't skyrocket like I know a lot of people hoped, but hopefully you guys made some money. But that's Voyager and Palantir for October 6th, 2021. Thank you for checking me out. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.